Hey, to check the battery level of your Soundcore Space Q45 headphones, there's actually like 3 methods to do this. The first one on your Android phone, you have to, but there's also work on the Apple devices, you have to add the widget to the screen. So in the Android devices it looks like that you have to click and hold on the empty space in the home screen, then go to the widgets and locate the battery widget. Then you have to simply add it into the screen. And when you do this, you can find the battery level of your connected devices. So here we've got the battery level of our headphones, but also there's also another theme that is showing you the name of the device, just right here. The second way, we can go to the Bluetooth settings right here, and you can find the information below the device name. Also, you can check it in the application. So that's the battery status, but without the percentage remaining time. So yeah, that's basically it. And yeah, and right now please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.